Students, now we will continue exercise 10.4 question number 3. Solve the following. Number 1, 753.78 minus 522.122. So here highest decimal places are 3. So this also we will make in a 3. Means 753.780. So 3 decimal places. Now we will subtract. So greater number minus smaller number. So 753.780 minus 522.122. Now 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 8. So this 8 will become 7. And this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. We will carry down this decimal point. Now 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. And 7 minus 5, 2. So our answer is 231.658. Now number 2, 212.25 minus 79.4. So here highest place decimal places are 2. So we will make it this also 2. So 212.25 minus 79.40. So 212.25 minus 79.40. Now we have to subtract. Here no digit, so we will write here 0. Now 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4, 8. Now we will carry down this decimal point. Now 1 minus 9. Not possible, so we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 9, 2. And 0 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. And 1 minus 0, 1. So our answer is 132.85. Now number 3. 34.5 plus 2.97 minus 1.98. So here we are going to do simplify. Okay, so first we will add these two decimals and whatever answer we are getting, that we will subtract from this. First of all we will make it in a like decimal. So here highest decimal places are 2. Okay, so 34.50 plus 2.97 minus 1.98. So first we will add this. So 34.50 plus 2.97. Here no digit, so we will write here 0. So 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over and we will write this decimal point. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. So we got answer 37.47. Now we will subtract 37.47 minus 1.98. So here no digit, so we will write here 0. Now 7 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 7 will become 17. 17 minus 8, 9. So 3 minus 9 is not possible now. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9, 4. So we will write this decimal point. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. So our final answer is 35.49. Now number 4, 48 plus 3.45 minus 8.55 plus 3.85. So first we will make it in a like decimal. So highest decimal places are 2. So 48.00 plus 3.45 minus 8.55 plus 3.8. We will add these two. So 48.00 plus 3.45. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. This decimal point we will carry down. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 we will write down. Other 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 4, 5. 51.45. Now from 51.45 we will subtract 8.55. So 51.45 minus 8.55. So now we will write no digit, so we will write here 0. So 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 5, 9. Now we will write down decimal. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become, and this 0 will become 1. Sorry, the 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. And 4 minus 0, 4. So we got 42.90. Now from 42.90 we will add this 3.85. So 42.90 plus 3.85. So 0 plus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 17. So 7 we will write down. 1 will be carried over and we will write this decimal point. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6, and this 4 we will write down. So our answer is 46.75. Now number 5. 62.45 plus 55.25 minus 4.62 minus 5.46. So here all are in like decimal only. Okay. So first we will add these two. So 62.45 plus 55.25. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And we will write down this decimal point. Now 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 5, 11. So 117.70. So from this answer we will subtract 4 minus 6, 2. So 117.70 minus 4.62. Here no digit, so we will write here 0. So 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we will borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. So 6 minus 6, 0. And we will write here decimal point. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So 113.08. So again from 113.08 we will subtract 5.46. So 113.08 minus 5.46. So here no digit, so we will write here zeros. So 8 minus 6, 2. Now 0 minus 4 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 3. This 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. We will write here decimal point. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. 0 minus 0, 0, and 1 minus 0, 1. And our answer is 107.62 is our answer. Now number 6. 60.88 minus 40 plus 7.8. So first we will add these two and we will make it first in a like decimal. So 60.88 minus 40.00 plus 7.80. So first we will add these two. So 40.00 then 7.80. So add. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. Then decimal point we will carry down. 0 plus 7, 7. And this 4 we will carry down. So 47.80. So we got 47.80. Now we will subtract 60.88 minus 47.80. So 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. We will write here decimal point. 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 6. So the 6 will become 5 and the 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So our answer is 13.08. Question number 4. Subtract the sum of 4.6 and 38.75 from 99.36. Sum means what? Addition. Sum means what? Addition. Okay, so first we will add 4.6 and 38.75, and then whatever answer we are getting, that we will subtract from 99.36. okay, before that we will make it in a like decimal. So here highest decimal places are 2. So 4.60 and 38.75. This first we will add. So 4.60 plus 38.75. So 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 7, 13. So 3 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, and this decimal point we will write down. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So 3 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 3, 4. So 43.35. Okay, this we will subtract from 99.36. So 99.36 minus 43.35. So 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. And this decimal point we will carry down. 9 minus 3, 6. And 9 minus 4, 5. So our answer is 56.01. Now question number 5. Subtract the difference between 14.34 and 70. Question number 5. Subtract the difference between 14.34 and 70.34 from the difference between 248.86 and 90.8. Okay, so first we will, difference between means we have to subtraction. So we will subtract from 70.34 minus 14.34. okay, so then we will subtract 248.86 minus 90.8. so both answer again we will subtract. So first, highest number is, greater number is 70.34. So 70.34 minus 14.34. For this we will subtract. So here we will write the difference between 14.34 and 70.34. So 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And decimal point we will carry down. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So we got answer 56.00. Now we will subtract. Now we will find out the difference between 248.86 and 90.8. So the difference between 248.86 and 90.8. So 248.86 minus 90.8. So here we will make a like decimal. We will write here 0, and here also no digit, so we will write here 0. Now 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 8, 0, and we will carry down this decimal point. Now 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 9 we will get 5, and this 1 minus 0, 1. So we got answer 158.06. Now we have to subtract 158.06 minus 56.00. So now this we will subtract. 6 minus 0, 6, 0 minus 0, 0, and this decimal point we will write down. 8 minus 6, 2, 5 minus 5, 0, and this 1 we will carry it down. So our answer is 102.06. Now question number 6. Ashok's father gave him rupees 2248.75. Ashok spent rupees 160.75 on food, rupees 487.35 on dress, and rupees 987.35 on books. What amount is left with Ashok as balance? Okay, so we will start with the statement. First, Ashok's father gave him, how much he gave? Rupees 2248.75, and Ashok spent on food. On food, how much he spent? Rupees 160.75. Then on dress, rupees 487.35. Then on books, rupees 987.35. So on books equal to rupees 987.35. So first we will add this all, then whatever answer we are getting, that we will subtract from the total rupees. Okay. So 160.75, then 487.35, then 987.35. So first we have to add. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, and we will write this decimal point down. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 8, 23. So 3 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. So 1635.45 rupees. Now we have to find out how much amount is left with Ashok. Ashok spent 1635.45, and now we have to find how much amount left with Ashok as a balance. So 2248.75 minus 1635.45. So 2248.75 minus 1635.45. Subtract 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 4, 3, and we will write down this decimal point. 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 6 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1, and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 6, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. So how much amount left with Ashok? So answer, rupees 613.30 is left with Ashok as balance.